air filter for my Dodge Grand Caravan 2017. I paid after taxes Canadian $39.19, and it is good for 20,000 kilometers. So let's get this installed. It's done. That's the old one. I'm surprised it doesn't even look that bad. It's not that bad, really. All right. Here's the filter. Here's my air box. This clip right here. Boom. That's it. Take it off. Here from the bottom. Boom. Take it off. That's it. One more right there. What's this? Look at that. Boom. Okay, pop that off. There's that one. Alright. Terribly dirty. I was surprised by that. Okay. Pop that in. Pop that up. Pop that in. That's it. Done. Line that up. You see those little spots there? Jam that in first. Just like that. Yep, that's it. That's it.